everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to the last chapter of this book, that is chapter number 40. Again a brain exercise 2, and this chapter consists of various riddles. You have to read the given lines and then these lines will help you out to find out the answer, that what the riddle is trying to say. So let's begin with the exercise. It says, let's do some brainstorming, and here are some riddles given. You have to use your mind and solve them. The question says, write the answers on the lines provided below. So let's begin with the exercise. So let's begin with the first question. The first question says, it has eyes but cannot see. So there is a thing which has eyes but it cannot see, and the answer for this question is needle. Then the second question is, it has arms but cannot lift anything, and the answer for this question is an armchair. Then the third question is, it has teeth but cannot bite, and the answer for this question is comb. Then next, the fourth one is that it has mouth but cannot eat, and the answer for this question is a river. Then the fifth question is, it has 4 legs but cannot walk, and the answer for this question is table. Sixth question, it has hands but cannot do anything except for moving them round all the time, and the answer is a clock. Then the seventh question, which fruit is eaten as a vegetable, and the answer for this question is tomato. Some people also pronounce it as tomato. Then the eighth question, which city has luck in its name, and the name of the city is Lucknow, Lucknow. Then we have the ninth question. It asks, which country has a germ within its name, and the answer is Germany. The 10th question is, which means of transport has rain with its name, and the answer for this question is train. Then the 11th question, which human organ has kid in it, and the answer is kidney. Then the 12th question, which scientist has nu and a unit of weight in its name? कौन सा ऐसा साइंटिस्ट है जिसके नाम में न्यू आता है और एक यूनिट आती है वेट की? And the answer is Newton. Now please leave this blank. This blank is given extra. Then we come to the 13th question. It is saying we use this every morning and it has rush within it. So the answer is brush. The answer for this question is BRUSH. Next we have 14th question, and it is, you sit on a thing which has air within its name. The answer is CHAIR, chair. The last question of this chapter, which form of energy has city within its name? कौन सी ऐसी form of energy है जिसके नाम में city आता है? And the answer for this question is electricity. ELECTRICITY, electricity. And so with this we have completed the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.